Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Hopefully I don't ramble on too long about random stuff, but I tend to anyway, so sit back and enjoy. This is a handmade kukri from Nepal. The company is this. However you want to pronounce that. I'm not going to butcher that right now. I haven't owned this long enough to butcher it yet, so if you'd like to pause the video at any moment and read what is going on here, feel free. We'll slowly skim down this. This is more a cheat sheet, so I don't have to tell you a bunch of nonsense that I don't quite know yet, because I just got this for Christmas, opened it up, and I'm out in the backyard with it now. Well, in so many words, basically, that's what's going on. So, yeah, if any of that information means anything to you guys or you want to know about it, there you go. This is a little pamphlet thing they give you. I'm just going to put that to the side now. But yeah, handmade in Nepal. It's got a rat tail tang. What the heck? Water buffalo, I believe. Bone. Horn. I'm not sure exactly. I'm imagining it's a horn, judging by the color. But like I said, I'm very new to this whole thing. First kukri. It's got your sharpening knife and a skinning knife. I believe it's the same steel they use for the blade here, which is spring steel from their trucks over there. They rip out the springs and forge a knife out of them. It's a high carbon steel, so it's got to be oiled up pretty good. So that's why this thing is looking the way it's looking. It's got oil, and then you can see all the machine marks because it is handcrafted. It's not pressed out of a machine or a factory like that. So see all the knocks and nicks in it. But look at that spine. Ooh-wee. That's a thick one. Right to my finger here. So that's going to be nice to see what's happening there. It's got a rat tail tang. I'm very curious on how that's going to work. Just real quick, the fit and finish, like I was talking about earlier. As you can see, it's not perfect. I just purchased another knife that's Damascus. I'll get a video out of that soon. I believe some Indians or something made that one. Got it from an Indian shop, so who knows. But there's a little bit of damage on the handle. Who knows exactly how that happened, shipping or what, I don't know. But yeah, not too big of a deal. I'm going to use this thing, hopefully, as long as it performs well. And the sheath, I believe, is also water buffalo hide or leather, Brass fittings. Has little spots for your smaller knives there and your kukri. Belt loop, or whatever you want to call that, for your belt. And I've seen other ones that have a split in it, and there's a two-piece, and this one doesn't. And also there's like a woven leather right here. So I don't know if it's just a different year they change it up, or you can specifically kind of make that different when you order them. I didn't order this, I got it as a gift, so I am very unknowledged about it, so I apologize for my lack of knowledge. But we're going to do some tests out the box and see what happens. So let me put you guys down and start smacking some stuff with this thing and see what happens. Now, it is December in Wisconsin, being Christmas, so it's not the warmest time of the year. Let me put this over here. So it's a little cold. Probably should be wearing gloves, but I'm not, because I'm a stupid person. I don't wear gloves. But yeah, let's see how this puppy handles here. I'm going to start off with this nice little stick. It's just something that fell out my tree here in the backyard. Just a dry piece of wood. I believe it's sugar maple. If that means anything to anybody, there you go. Let's get a feel for the knife. I have not used a kukri ever. I've used machetes and all kinds of other choppers, but not a kukri. Trying to figure out the sweet spot. You would think it'd be right in the belly, right in here where my finger's about at. But let's try a couple shots at the tip here and see what that. There we I'm doing kind of flick hits. Because, yeah, not really familiar with this knife too much, so we'll see how it handles. Move this over here real quick and get a good bite. You can do a little whittling with it if you wanted. Obviously, it's really not meant for that. But. Aww. I was just going to say, it sticks pretty well. Knocking some of that oil off of there. Let's do some straight chops down on this. Really get the feel for how much vibration you're going to get in the handle. Kind of seeing if anything rattles or... No, still holding good. Also want to punch this log right now. Try to get you guys a little bit better angle here. Down to the skinnier piece. There it goes. Now we're getting some good stickage. Grabbing a good purchase on it. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with the knife. It's my first time swanging her, so. Nice. So that's a sweet spot. Right about in there is where you want to focus your attention on, I guess. Yeah, let's finish off this piece here, which bring that in a little closer. Hopefully that's focusing. My camera, knowing it, I'm sure it's not focused at all, but pretty good clean cuts. Obviously it's a knife, it's not an axe, so, you know, you have to keep your ideas of what it's going to be doing within the realm of reason, because, yeah, it's just a knife. Big chopping knife or not. It does have a tendency, because of this handle, it's very smooth. There's nothing, I mean, it's not leather or nothing. It's just buffalo bone or horn or whatever. It has a tendency to run or roll a little bit in the hand. Also, it's, you know, 30, 40 degrees outside, so it's a little cold. Some gloves with a little bit of grip on them probably would help. But. Oh, there it goes. All right. Damage is done. Now this is also same tree, sugar maple, a lot bigger branch. So let's do some chops on this and see what happens here. Let me just kind of take a stop and see what's okay. Just wanted to see where the camera's looking. Ooh. Oh man. So yeah, right in here where your pinky sits, it really be giving some vibrations. So definitely something you want with a knife, something you want with a glove on when you're swinging this knife. Probably with the full tang, it might be better. Let's say the rat tail. I'm not really a big fan of rat tails, but so far for what it is, it's not a stabber, but did a couple tip tests. That's how thick that tip is. No problems. Edge is okay. Not that sharp. I mean, it's pretty sharp for a factory edge, but I've definitely had sharper. Yeah, and that vibration in the pinky area there, right at the end of the handle. It's really when you're hitting something hard like this log here, where you really feel it. And my dog is deciding to be an ass and running around like a crazy dog. If you came for the knife, you can stay for the crazy dog that's running around. Yeah, like right there, look, those chops, when they don't fully sink in, you feel it in the pinky. But nothing so far wiggling around. Let me. What is that noise? I hear something. I don't know what it is though. I don't know if that picked up at all, but I got grease on my fingers. Or oil. Whew. Yeah, this thing really vibrates the hand. But try to get a good torture test. Yeah. Whew. You can see my hand how red that pinky is. She's screaming. It's definitely something you want to wear with a glove. Get right up on the neck here. See, well, the throat of the knife, or whatever you want to call it. Right where the skinny spot is to see. Yeah. Big knot right here too. I'm smacking that in that area. So. The blade is holding up well. It needs to be sharpened, I'm thinking. Or it's because my hand is not getting the best grip on it. I'm not getting the best smack. And or I'm just hitting it in the wrong spot with the blade. So I'm testing out different areas. Yeah. Those new? Is that new? I don't know. Yep. God damn it. Yeah, might be fucking taking this one back, man. God damn. I hate when you get a present or a gift and it don't turn out the way you would expect. The head is loose. This is a dress knife. This is a wall hanger. This is a put it on your shelf and leave it alone type of knife, I'm sorry to say. Now the tang, the rat tail, like I thought, busted loose on the handle. Could not survive the chop test. I'm not going to keep beating this up. Going to go break the news to the wife that it did not survive. That sucks. God damn it. I was hoping this thing, I mean, the few videos I've seen are like, oh yeah, I use this all the time, blah, 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 this, that, and the other thing. It's a great camp knife. But like, it has a rat tail tang. Like, anything with a rat tail tang that's wall hanger in my mind. You have to really know what you're doing to make it not do exactly what's happening. And the handle is coming loose. The tang is coming off. The back butt pommel area is coming off. So that's unfortunate. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video and informed you about your purchase. The quality of the knife is really nice, but I don't think it's built for what I'm doing. And yeah, that's upsetting. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some more videos out about other knives and stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.